Picture this: pristine beaches, lush greenery, and the aroma of exotic spices wafting through the air. This is Sri Lanka, the pearl of the Indian Ocean, a land where vibrant culture meets tantalizing cuisine. From fiery curries to fragrant rice dishes, every bite tells a story of this enchanting island nation. Fresh coconut milk adds a creamy richness, while aromatic spices such as cinnamon, cardamom, and cloves infuse the dishes with warmth and depth. It's about families gathering around the table, sharing stories and laughter over plates piled high with fragrant rice and flavorful curries. First things first, a symphony of spices. One of the hallmarks of Sri Lankan cuisine is its ingenious use of spices. The island nation is renowned for its fragrant cinnamon, pungent cloves, and aromatic cardamom, used liberally in both sweet and savory dishes. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, while ginger aids digestion and boosts immunity. The heat in Sri Lankan food is not meant to overpower, but rather to add a pleasant warmth that enhances the other flavors. The strategic use of herbs like curry leaves, pandan leaves, and lemongrass further elevates the flavors of Sri Lankan dishes. Whether it's a simple curry or an elaborate feast, the skillful use of spices and herbs is what gives Sri Lankan cuisine its unique and unforgettable taste. Going global, a culinary journey awaits. In recent years, Sri Lankan cuisine has been gaining popularity worldwide, and Dubai is no exception. The city's food scene is a melting pot of flavors from around the globe, and Sri Lankan food has carved a niche for itself. From casual eateries to fine dining restaurants, Dubai offers a plethora of options to explore the diverse flavors of Sri Lanka. Whether you're craving a spicy kotu roti or a comforting bowl of string hoppers, Dubai's Sri Lankan restaurants promise an authentic culinary journey. Get ready to dive into a world of fragrant spices, vibrant colors, and unforgettable flavors. First stop, a taste of home. Dubai, a glittering oasis in the desert, is renowned for its diverse culinary scene. This is where Sri Lankan cuisine steps in, offering a taste of home to a large Sri Lankan expat community residing in Dubai. A plate of string hoppers or a steaming bowl of lampreys isn't just a meal, it's a connection to their roots. This inherent nostalgia fuels the popularity of Sri Lankan restaurants in Dubai, transforming them into bustling hubs. The welcoming atmosphere of these restaurants attracts those seeking authentic and flavorful dining experiences. Yes, it is about spices, spice roots, and global plates. The rise of Sri Lankan cuisine in Dubai is part of a larger global trend. Sri Lankan food, with its vibrant colors, complex flavors, and emphasis on fresh, wholesome ingredients, ticks all the boxes for today's discerning diners. Dubai, being a global melting pot, acts as a culinary crossroads where different cultures converge. The growing awareness of health benefits associated with traditional Sri Lankan ingredients like turmeric, ginger, and coconut milk further adds to its appeal. Sri Lankan food, with its emphasis on fresh produce and minimal processing, aligns perfectly with this health-conscious trend. A growing appetite. Dubai's love affair with Sri Lankan cuisine is evident in the sheer variety of dining options available. From humble street food stalls to upscale restaurants, there's something for everyone. The city's thriving food festival scene further amplifies the visibility of Sri Lankan cuisine. These festivals provide a platform for Sri Lankan chefs to showcase their skills and creativity. The growing appetite for Sri Lankan food in Dubai is also reflected in the increasing availability of Sri Lankan ingredients in supermarkets and specialty stores. Recipe number 1, the Symphony of the Flatbread. Right, let's talk kotu roti. Imagine this: a sizzling hot griddle, rhythmic chopping sounds, and a symphony of aromas filling the air. This dish is a testament to Sri Lankan ingenuity, turning simple ingredients like roti bread, vegetables, and meat into a flavor-packed masterpiece. The star of the show is undoubtedly the roti, a thin, flat bread chopped and blended on the griddle with an assortment of ingredients. From fiery chicken and tender beef to savory vegetables and cheesy goodness, each variation offers a unique flavor profile. Next fact, a culinary orchestra. What truly elevates kotu roti is the masterful blend of spices and sauces that coat every morsel. Imagine a melody of curry powder, turmeric, chili flakes, and a hint of garlic ginger paste, all working in perfect harmony. A drizzle of spicy curry sauce adds a rich depth, while a dollop of creamy coconut chutney offers a cooling contrast. Watching the Kotu Roti chef in action is like witnessing a performance art. The rhythmic chopping, the sizzling griddle, the deft tossing of ingredients. It's a feast for the senses. Each bite is an explosion of textures and tastes, a testament to the creativity and passion that goes into every plate of Kotu Roti. And then, from streets to fine dining, traditionally a street food staple, Kotu Roti has transcended its humble beginnings to feature in restaurants across Dubai. This versatility is a testament to its universal appeal, a dish that can be enjoyed by everyone. You can find Kotu Roti masters showcasing their skills in bustling street food markets. For a more refined experience, several restaurants in Dubai offer gourmet versions of Kotu Roti. It's a dish that embodies the heart and soul of Sri Lankan food, bold, flavorful, and utterly satisfying. Recipe number 2, a culinary parcel of history. Now let's move on to something a little different, a dish that tells a story of cultural fusion and culinary ingenuity. Get ready for lampreys, a Sri Lankan delicacy with Dutch roots. The name lampreys itself hints at its unique history, derived from the Dutch words lomp, a lump, and rijst, rice. It's believed to have originated in the 17th century during the Dutch colonial era. Inside this leafy embrace lies a symphony of ingredients, each playing a crucial role in creating the harmonious blend that is lampreys. First things first, unwrapping the goodness. Now let's delve into the heart of this culinary parcel. At the base lies a bed of fluffy rice, infused with the subtle sweetness of coconut milk and the warmth of aromatic spices. Next comes the protein, typically a slow-cooked meat curry. But lampreys is not just about the rice and curry, it's about the symphony of accompaniments that elevate it to new heights. Each element adds a unique dimension to the dish, creating a balance of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy that is simply irresistible. The truth, a taste of tradition, evolved. The beauty of lampreys lies not just in its history or its flavors, but also in its versatility. Traditionally enjoyed as a hearty lunch or dinner, it has evolved to become a popular choice for special occasions and celebrations in Sri Lanka. In Dubai, you can find lampreys served in both traditional and modern settings. Some restaurants stay true to the original recipe, while others offer contemporary interpretations. No matter how it's prepared, lampreys is an experience not to be missed. Recipe number 3. A delicate dance of flavors. Now let's talk about a dish that's as delicate in appearance as it is bold in flavor: string hoppers. Made from a simple batter of rice flour and water, string hoppers are steamed to perfection. They are often described as the Sri Lankan answer to noodles, but their unique texture and ability to soak up flavors make them stand apart. The beauty of string hoppers lies in their versatility. Each bite is an explosion of textures and tastes, the delicate string hoppers providing a neutral base that allows the accompanying flavors to shine. One of the most popular ways to enjoy string hoppers is with a hearty curry. Imagine succulent pieces of chicken, fish, or vegetables simmered in a rich gravy, generously ladled over the delicate string hoppers. The string hoppers soak up the flavorful gravy, creating a symphony of textures and tastes. For a touch of tanginess, string hoppers paired with sambals are a must-try. Imagine a fiery lunu miris, onion and chili sambal, a tangy pol sambal, coconut and chili relish, and a refreshing sini sambal, sweet and sour onion relish. Each sambal adds a unique dimension to the dish. And let's not forget the importance of a good coconut milk gravy, often referred to as kiri hodi. This creamy and flavorful gravy infused with aromatic spices adds richness and depth to the string hoppers. But then, from breakfast to dinner. Traditionally enjoyed as a breakfast dish in Sri Lanka, string hoppers have transcended mealtimes to become a popular choice for lunch, dinner, and even snacks. Their versatility and ability to complement a wide range of flavors make them a staple in Sri Lankan cuisine. And now, they are finding their way onto menus across Dubai, captivating the taste buds of locals and expats alike. In Dubai, you can find string hoppers served in various settings, from humble street food stalls to upscale restaurants. Whether you prefer them as a light and refreshing breakfast option or a hearty and flavorful dinner, there's a string hopper dish out there for everyone. So, if you're looking for a taste of Sri Lankan cuisine that is both delicate and bold, be sure to try string hoppers. Their unique texture, versatility, and ability to soak up flavors make them a true culinary delight. Don't be afraid to experiment with different curries, sambals, and accompaniments to create your own perfect string hopper experience. Let's delve deeper than the delicious curries and aromatic spices and explore the cultural significance of these Sri Lankan dishes. Food is a storybook of tradition and heritage. With each bite of kotu roti, each whiff of lampreys, and each mouthful of string hoppers, we're experiencing a slice of Sri Lankan life. Kotu roti embodies the Sri Lankan spirit of resourcefulness. It transforms leftover roti into a culinary star. This dish is a testament to the ingenuity of Sri Lankan cooks. Then we have lampreys, a dish that speaks volumes about Sri Lanka's history. The Dutch influence is undeniable, yet beautifully intertwined with Sri Lankan ingredients. A harmonious blend of flavors representing the island's diverse heritage. First stop, beyond the bite, beyond the bite. Think about the ritual of unwrapping a lamprey's parcel. It's a sensory experience in itself, the aroma of the banana leaf filling the air, building anticipation for the flavors within. This tradition of wrapping food in banana leaves speaks to a deep connection with nature, a respect for using natural resources to enhance the dining experience. It's a reminder that Sri Lankan cuisine is about more than just the food itself. It's about the entire sensory journey. And what about string hoppers, those delicate, lacy wonders? They're a symbol of patience and precision, the intricate strands representing the artistry and dedication of Sri Lankan cooks. Traditionally made by hand, they require a skilled hand and a keen eye for detail. Each perfectly formed string hopper is a testament to the time-honored traditions passed down through generations. These dishes are more than just recipes, they're woven into the fabric of Sri Lankan life, present at celebrations, family gatherings, and everyday meals. They symbolize community, resourcefulness, and a deep respect for culinary traditions. Second stop, a culinary bridge. In Dubai, these dishes take on an even greater significance. For the Sri Lankan community living far from home, these flavors are a powerful reminder of their roots, a taste of comfort and familiarity in a foreign land. They offer a sense of belonging, a way to connect with their heritage and share it with others. But it's not just about nostalgia. The rising popularity of Sri Lankan cuisine in Dubai speaks to its universal appeal, its ability to transcend cultural boundaries and connect people through the shared language of food. The bold flavors, the aromatic spices, the unique textures, they pique the curiosity of adventurous eaters eager to explore new culinary horizons. Sri Lankan restaurants in Dubai become more than just places to eat. They transform into cultural hubs, spaces where people from all walks of life can come together to experience a taste of Sri Lanka. They foster cross-cultural understanding and appreciation, proving that food can be a powerful tool for building bridges and fostering connections. So there you have it. We've journeyed through the vibrant world of Sri Lankan cuisine in Dubai, exploring the bold flavors, unique textures, and cultural significance of three must-try dishes: kotu roti, lampreys, and string hoppers. Each dish tells a story, a testament to the island nation's rich culinary heritage and its ability to tantalize taste buds across the globe. Whether you're a seasoned foodie looking for your next culinary adventure or simply curious to explore new flavors, Sri Lankan cuisine in Dubai promises an unforgettable experience. The city's diverse culinary scene offers a plethora of options, from humble street food stalls to upscale restaurants, each serving up their own unique take on these classic dishes. So what are you waiting for? Step outside your culinary comfort zone and embark on a journey that will ignite your senses and leave you craving more. Dubai's Sri Lankan food scene is waiting to be explored. Remember, trying Sri Lankan food is more than just eating. It's about immersing yourself in a culture that celebrates the art of cooking and the joy of sharing a meal. It's about savoring the complex interplay of spices, the freshness of ingredients, and the stories behind each dish. Don't be afraid to dive in and get your hands dirty. Embrace the communal nature of Sri Lankan dining and share a plate of kotu roti with friends. Unwrap the fragrant treasure of a lampreys parcel and savor the symphony of flavors within. Delight in the delicate textures and versatility of string hoppers, experimenting with different curries and sambals to create your own perfect bite. And as you enjoy these culinary delights, take a moment to appreciate the cultural significance behind each dish. Think about the generations of Sri Lankan cooks who have perfected these recipes, passing down their knowledge and passion for food through the ages. Let the flavors transport you to the bustling streets of Colombo or the serene coastal villages of Sri Lanka. So, the next time you find yourself in Dubai, craving a culinary adventure that's both delicious and culturally enriching, look no further than Sri Lankan cuisine. It's a feast for the senses, a celebration of flavor, and a testament to the power of food to bring people together. Go on, take a bite and discover the magic of Sri Lanka on your plate. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comments section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.